Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is uh, today's date is 6th January 2022, and today's video topic is Java main method in Java. So, firstly, we'll see the main method in that void public static void main and string args. So, firstly we will see uh, the what is the main method in a Java. So the main method is the string point of a program. JVM start the exceptions of the program strings from the main method. So what is the syntax of a main method? So public static void main strings args is a syntax of a main method. So firstly, we'll see one by one. Firstly, see public, second static, third void, and fourth main, and last one is string args. So first is public. Public is we have already see access modifier in access modifier. Uh, public access modifier allow the access of a method outside the program. Since we want the JVM to identify the main method and start execution from it. So we want to the marked we want to marked public if we use other access modifier like private, default, or protected, the JVM wouldn't recognize the main method and program want to start the execution. Next is static. The reason of the main method is marked as static so that it can be invoked by a JVM without the without the need of creating an object. In order to invoke the normal method, we need to create the object first. Uh, However, to invoke the static method, we didn't need an object to learn more about static method. So next is a void. This is the return type. The void means that the main method will not return anything. Next is the main. This is your default signature, which is preferred by JVM. When we try to execute a program, the JVM firstly identify the main method and start the execution from it. As started, a name of the method suggests that it is the main part of the program. So last one is the string args. The main method can also accept string inputs that can provide at runtime. These string inputs are also known as command line argument. These string inputs are stored in array args of string type. Uh, we will see we have main method defined without string args parameter. So if we have main method without string args in program, the program will to compilation error. However, we want to able to run a program as the JVM looks for the public main method with the string args parameter. If does not find such method, it it does not run the program. So what is a program? Firstly, we'll say declare. Firstly, we'll say create a class, and we'll take a main method like public static void main, and we'll print a sysout in that hello. So these are the execution of a program, and these are the public main method in Java. Thank you.